Wish all the hashtags, likes and tweets will find a way to get lost. Yeah, and when I pull up to the scene, I wonder what the hell is the cost. And yeah, I know you never seen nothing like this before. Yeah, but this is different. I deserve to find some self-comfort. So find a way to
G'day guys, what is this? Sunshine. It's been what, over a week since we've had sun? Been crazy. We actually ended up in southeast Queensland with half a year's worth of rain in 2 days. So a lot of the roads are still flooded, but what that water does mean, the waterfalls are pumping. So I've come up to Cedar Creek and got some footage here with the drone and the GoPro. It's unbelievable. I'll chuck those clips on and I'm gonna head further into Tamborine to see if I can get to Curtis Falls. So I'm not sure if any of you guys saw on the news, but Curtis Falls is where the cafe is, and that water was just coming rushing through. Not sure if I'm going to get through. If I do, I'll chuck those clips up as well. But without further ado, here's Cedar Creek. G'day guys. So here we are at the first lookout and it is just going off. I've never seen so much water in these waterfalls. Check this out. There's even a second waterfall coming down the side of the mountain. This is crazy. I'll keep pushing on, see if I can get to the bottom.
Oh, we know it's all for nothing. And we fight and beg and greed and then we go and act like something.
I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a pool noodle down there. I hope people aren't trying to swim in this. See down there?
Yeah, and we cry out loud, cause we just want attention. And we feel alive from a fake medium. Yeah, I won't accept this life that fate is given. So find a way to get along.
Holy shit guys, check this out. I don't know if you can hear me because the waterfall's so loud, but check this out. Don't think I'm going to be swimming in it today. Little water dragon. You won't believe what I just found. That's a part of the cafe from the flood video. Washed up all the way down here. Guys, you wait till you check this out. Curtis Falls is going off. Look at this. What a bust up. Guys, this is why you want to go nice and slow on the tracks. Look at this. Little baby scrub turkey. See how close we can get to him. Hello, fella. Hello. Tiny little baby. Guys, remember, you don't want to touch them and disturb them too much. Get a little bit close, not too bad, but don't touch them. Hello, little fella. G'day guys, so I'm back on the bike now. That's the walks all done. I'm going to quickly try and race home, edit this and get it up tonight for you so you can see exactly what it's like for your weekend bushwalks. So I guess that's it. I'll see you next time. Get out and explore and enjoy it. See ya.